It's kind of sunny and a bit chilly at the same time.
Yeah, the weather is, however, pleasant.
Pleasant, yeah.
It's nice. Hello and welcome to day 2. And as you must have already seen in the previous vlog, हम लोग already अपना डे स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं. हमने ट्रैक कर चुका है. वी वेंट टू गिलबर्ट ट्रेल. और अगर आपने वो व्लॉग नहीं देखा है सो प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच इट. नाउ व्हाट वी डिड वाज वी गॉट बैक टू मॉल रोड. हमने वहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत खाना पीना खाया. फिर हम अपने होटल गए. फिर हमने होटल से चेकआउट किया एंड वी चेकड इन टू अ न्यू होटल जिसकी मैं वीडियो लेना अनफॉर्चुनेटली भूल गई. बट आई हैड फ्यू पिक्चर्स हियर एंड देयर एंड देन वी वेंट फॉर द चर्च. हमने चर्च को देखा पूरा बाहर से. देन वी केम टू दिस वेरी फेमस कैफे. सो वी आर एट शुभमिता कैफे एंड वी आर ट्राइंग सिद्धू लाइक आई टोल्ड यू इन माई प्रीवियस व्लॉग that I wanted to try it. So this is Namkeen Sidhu and where is the meetha? They took it? Where is it? Acha, andar de. Okay. And this is the margarita pizza here. I'm dying to try this.
Chocolate shake. Okay.
It's good.
Is it chutney, green chutney?
And this is sweet Sidhu. How is it recipe? Let's try this also.
मुझे तो अच्छा लगा. Something different. Oh, different.
Here with Shubham, who owns this pretty cafe, and we are going to understand what was the inspiration behind. And so please tell us.
Well, ma'am, this is a vintage cafe, as we call it. The theme-based cafe, probably we made it. So it was a cafe initially started prior independence. So it was a cafe running till 1947. So post 1947, we shut it down and we restarted it again in the year of 2021. So everything that we've used in this cafe is actually the original furniture from that era.
Wow.
Okay, so we have things dated 1880s to 1974 on display in this cafe, and we've tried to use as much authentic things as we can. So that is the inspiration behind this cafe. Because we wanted to tell people, that Kasauli itself has its own very rich heritage. So somewhere starting from 1830s onwards. The name was KLG Restaurant. Okay, it was named by that. And when we started it, then we named it to the Cafe Shubhamita. So Shubhamita means me and my wife. I'm Shubham and she's Samita. So we combined it together to make Shubhamita out of it. And we are coming with rooms as well in the same premises by the name of Kusmavali Cottages. So Kusmavali is an old name of Kasauli, which means Valley of Flowers, because we have very different kind of flowers that grow in this place. About your this place, the rooms that we set. So we are planning to start these rooms by this area end, because we are setting for the permissions, everything that you need to go through. So because it's an old property, somewhere made in 1865 rather. So it's an old house, or 200 years old. So we need to refurbish it, revamp it. So which is a tough project for us. And the rooms you're trying to make up would be affordable for everyone, of course. We're not setting in for something which are very high class ones or some people can't afford. We want people to come and stay in a place and enjoy that old vibe of Kasauli, the old vibe of British era, because we're not going up with the the old vibe of this place.
So what would be the top 3 food items here at your restaurant that you would suggest for the viewers?
Absolutely, ma'am. The thing is, as you know, we are famous for our pizzas and pastas. So we make our own pizza dough. So we make a fresh dough out of which we make the pizzas. So pizzas is one of the major things that we sell into. Then pastas, of course, you can go in for pastas. And the third thing which I would suggest that everybody could come and have is the momos, the tandoori momos that we make here. That are different because you usually don't get them anywhere across this place. So it's a different dish that we've started and people actually really enjoy that dish.
Okay, and also I tried your Sidhu here. It was really
Sidhu.
good. I really enjoyed it. It was the first time I had it.
Sidhu is something which is Himachali flavor, of course, and we were the few ones that had started it initially. It's a homemade delicacy, so we make it at our home. The way we have it, the way we sell it. So, and we try to make it as authentic as it is. And the best part about Sidhu is, it is the only dish which is non-caloric, first of all, and it has no oils into it. It's totally steamed. And the stuffing inside is also steamed.
Could you also explain a little bit about the stuffing when it comes to spicy Sidhus and sweet Sidhus?
Of course. See, the Sidhus that we are of 2 types, the Meetha Sidhu and the Namkeen Sidhu. So talking about the Namkeen Sidhu initially, the Namkeen Sidhu we have khaskhas, which is called the poppy seeds. So we have that poppy seeds and we have your walnuts and you have your peanuts into it, which is grinded with a homemade chutney. after that, the filling is done, and then we serve it with the ghee and the homemade mint chutney that you get along with it. Talking about the Meetha Sidhu has your poppy seeds. It has a local, seed also, which is called the perilla seeds, or we call it bhangjiri. It's a very good thing. It is very good in omega-3. So that is it. And then we have filled it with jaggery, and that we serve it with as well.
Alright, thank you.
See, Cadbury's display.
Yeah, this is an original, guys.
Cadbury
Wow.
display of somewhere of 1930s and 1970s.
Wow.
The same. This is of 1880s. And probably you need at least 12 people to pick it up and
Wow.
from one place to the other.
This
It's
is something
so hefty.
exciting
You
now.
guys restored it completely.
We just repainted it.
Painted it.
Just that's it. Nothing happened
Uplifted,
to this.
basically.
And that your Cadbury showcase, you can actually compress it down and make it into a small proton box and take it anywhere.
This is the oldest
Wow.
logo, I guess.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Amazing.
Then if you, in case you like cars, there's an Austin registry service only.
The stamps also.
Yes, and that's a process how you could procure cars in Kent area or in the British area at that point of time. So you will take an order, you write down that, you need to give the number of the car, the chassis number and everything would come, the approvals would come, then the car would come to India. So that's how
This has huge history to it.
It's a quite vintage place.
Yeah.
Yep, right, yes.
Oh, the old map. Okay.
Yes, that's an India-Pakistan joint map. It's in West
Right.
Bengal,
This is in India,
Lahore
Pakistan.
and,
Wow.
Yes.
That's okay. Wow.
These are your basically tissues.
Coasters and
That point of time.
tissues. Yeah,
These are
Victorian
tissues that
eras mainly. I think Victorian era or
Yes,
after that,
Victorian era, yes.
because the design looks like
Yes, and this
Victorian.
the inside that you see, this is basically that we put below the cake in today's days.
Yeah.
That is it.
Coasters. Yeah.
Tissues or no?
No, this is the tissues only. But
But
inside that
on
is
top
we have
of
food
that,
inside us,
the
that is
white.
only-
Yeah.
White one, right? Yes.
Wow.
That's a type of 1950s.
Where?
That's that we've actually put inside a paper.
Okay.
Because otherwise people fiddle with it a lot.
Right.
It's an original piece, Remington 1920s.
Wow.
So you just can't sometimes, you need to ensure that things are in a safe place. So because people are fiddling it.
So that's how I summed up my visit to Shubhmita Cafe. और ये जहाँ से मैं उतर रही हूँ, ये पाथ राइट ऑपोजिट ऑफ चर्च है. इससे उतर के नीचे राइट में शॉप्स हैं, कैफ़ेज़ हैं, वो भी काफ़ी फेमस हैं. बट शुभमिता इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस कैफ़ेज़ इन दिस एरिया. और यहाँ से ऊपर चढ़ के राइट में शुभमिता कैफ़े था. सो अगर आप नीचे भी यहाँ से उतरते हो, यहाँ से राइट लोगे आप जब, वहाँ पे भी आपको काफ़ी सारे स्टोर्स मिलेंगे, जैसे गुप्ता ब्रदर्स और शर्मा फोटोकॉपियर्स. ऑल ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस आर ऑल्सो हिस्टोरिकली वेरी रिच. अभी मैं आपको आगे दिखाऊंगी भी हम कहाँ कहाँ गए थे. बट दिस इज़ हाउ वी समड अप आवर डे. और फिर हमने ये जैसे मैंने बोला राइट में ये शॉप्स हैं, यहाँ पे भी आके हमने काफ़ी कुछ ख़रीदा, काफ़ी कुछ लिया, जो कि मैं आपको डेफिनेटली दिखाने वाली हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल if you haven't already, because it will help me grow. It will push me to make more videos, more content for you guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye.